To change hotspot password on Poco F7 Pro, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you have to go into the portable hotspot, and in case it is not available right here, you have to go for the more connectivity options, and it will be available at the top right here above this airplane mode. So simply go for the portable hotspot right here and go into the setup portable hotspot. And here you have this settings for this hotspot, and here you can also change the password. So all you simply have to do is just get rid of this default password right here, which is generated automatically, and set up your own password right here, just like this. It needs to have at least 8 digits or symbols, anything. Just as you can see, if we have 7 of them, this check mark on the top right corner is grayed out. If I add another digit or letter, this will now, we can set up this password. So press this check mark if you are done with this password, and that's how to do it.